Hi, this is Krista Britton with Hillshire Realty Group at eXp Realty. Today we are located at my listing, 22406 Southwest Timber Crossing Lane in Sherwood, Oregon. This home went pending in 5 days. We had multiple offers and it sold for over list price. This home features 3,100 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and was built in 2019. It has amazing upgrades such as these quartz countertops and upgraded lights. Now, are you ready to see the rest of the home? Let's go. Thanks so much for taking a tour of the home. If you have any questions about homes like this or other homes in the Sherwood marketplace, please don't hesitate to reach out. My email is krista@hillshirerealtygroup.com, or feel free to text me at 503-807-9279. Thanks so much, and I look forward to working with you.